All right, you guys, I have a few hours to myself, so you know I'm gonna go thrifting. Honestly, it's like one of my favorite things to do. I get to go through the racks, find really cool stuff. There's just nothing better than going to the thrift, listening to an audiobook, and finding cool stuff. I just relax so much at the thrift store, it's dumb, I know. But I'm excited to take you guys along to today's thrift trip because I find some really cool stuff, and I'm excited to kind of walk you through kind of how I do whatever it is that I do. What's even better though is that I get to take you guys along. Okay, so I do like Can. I'm picky about it. It has to be like a really low price, but these are new with tags and a good size and like a good style. These are the joggers. I say let's go for it. They're $8, but I think they should be able to sell for like 35 or 40. Ooh, these are really cute. Pilcrow is Anthropologie. These are distressed straight and they're in a good size, 27 tall. And these are gonna be, I think these will be, they're like in basically new condition for $6. So for sure, let's grab these. So there is a subreddit called Buy It for Life, and they have brands there that if you find at the thrift, it'll help you like pick it up and know that it's worth its value, because the Buy It for Life group has brands that last the test of time, are really popular, are popular pre-owned. So you'll see like brands like Carhartt, Redwing boots, and it's given me a lot of ideas, as well as ideas for what brands are kind of going on the downhill. Like Doc Martens was on there for how low quality it's become, and I have seen the price of Doc Martens kind of go down. So just something to think about and consider. Okay, so I'm in the shoe section, and kangaroos actually sell really well, but these have a little cleaning and TLC that is needed. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take them home and I'm gonna clean them up. And we'll see, you guys. I'm a little nervous, but I actually have hope. They're in pretty good condition other than just a few little areas, so let's see. All right, I did pick up the kangaroos. Yes, there's some whatever on this suede, but I'm gonna clean it off. That's my challenge for myself today, and I'm gonna kind of show you guys how I do it. So let's head over and attempt to fix these. Hi. Okay, so one of my favorite things for suede is this Angelus cleaner. It's safe on suede, safe on leather, safe on everything, and it really cleans it well. So I just like to dip a toothbrush in there and get it nice and wet. You want to be really careful about the cleaning materials that you use on suede because you don't want to wreck it, right? And really just get all of this gunk off of the edge of the sneakers. All right, future Ashley here. Sorry about the delay, and also sorry I look like this, but I did get those kangaroos cleaned up. The issue was on that one kangaroo shoe, there was like resin, a drop of resin, several actually, which becomes rock hard, and there was no way to get it out other than to just slowly scrape it with like a razor blade and get layer by layer off. It took hours. I mean, I'm glad I saved the shoe. They both look great. They cleaned up great other than that, but I wish I could have told past me to maybe leave them behind. No, the green Allbirds seem to do really well. I wouldn't say pick up any style, but the style seems to be good. So let's grab them. Okay, speaking of Redwing, I just found some, but they are trashed. I'm so tempted though. No, I just don't want them to sit in my desk pile. You know what? Maybe we go for it. I'm gonna look them up and see if it's worth it. Okay, I'm gonna put them back. They're just too worn. Still, if this were in better condition, this would be just a great pickup. All right, so I'm in the back section, and for just $1, there's this really cool little fossil wallet, like a flap wallet. Yeah, this should do great. Like, I have had really good luck with this brand. Over in the wallet section, I spotted this really nice wallet. It was like heavy. This was definitely like real suede, real leather. It felt very nice. Even though I hadn't heard of the brand, it was $1.50, and I was like, I'm just gonna risk it, take this home and do some research. All right, so I find brands all the time that feel really nice, but I don't know what they are. And this is a perfect example. This brand is called The Trend. And it just felt heavy. The suede felt really nice. The metal felt really nice. I mean, everything indicated that this was a high-end item. So I did a little more research and I looked it up and I found it on a website, and like, I don't know how prevalent this brand is, but their bags, their backpacks, their leather sells for like $200 to $300. So this wallet could very well have retailed for like 75-ish, which means that it bodes well for resale value. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted on like whether or not it sells. For $1.50, it's completely worth the gamble. Okay, I also found this. This is a Radley handbag, and these actually retail for like a ton of money. So I'm gonna do some research.
I can't hear you!
And figure out what this is worth. All right, so Radley, I want to talk more about this brand. You can definitely spot it from a distance by this really cute, what is this? Is this a terrier? Jack Russell. Is that a Jack Russell Terrier? I don't know. These bags sell for a lot of money, retail like $200 to $300 range or more. Because this is smaller, this will probably sell for like the $50 to $75 range. I actually found a comp on Etsy of all places. I couldn't really find a comp for this exact bag except for on Etsy, sold for $50 plus shipping. So I'm thrilled with that, definitely worth the $2 investment.
$2 cash.
You know, handbags are gonna be hit or miss, but Radley is a good one to look out for. Okay, now in the activewear section, these are just $5 and they are the Athleta Salutation Camo Jogger in a really good size. Oh my gosh, I might wanna keep these for me because they are so cute. Yeah, you guys know, it is not a good day until we find Lulu. This is really cute, long sleeve. Yeah, how much? $5. That is a great deal. Okay, over here in the blouses, we have a very small Free People blouse, but it's only $3, so it should do really well. Oh, here we go. This is really cute. It does have a little hole, but I'm gonna actually sew that up because I think this blouse is really pretty and I think it will do great. So I think it's worth it. So not all Free People is created the same as far as like resale value. You have to be a little bit more picky about what kind of Free People you pick up. Free People is one of my best selling brands for sure, like on eBay. Why can't I talk? Free People is definitely one of my best selling brands on eBay. It's one I pick up all the time, I sell it all the time. But again, you have to be a little bit more selective. Older stuff just doesn't really sell. I like their newer stuff. I like the prints, the tunics, anything loose and flowy tends to sell great. We got more Free People. Really cute blouse. This is like the Free People section. And it's more recent. I'm excited for this one. Now, this is a brand I think I've seen before. I just looked it up and it sells really well. These are these really cute embroidered tops. So yeah, I definitely think for $5, it's worth it. Whenever I'm in this section, all I can think of is how much I want to find Johnny Was. I never find it. But I always think about it because these super loud blouses, these embroidered blouses, colorful blouses, that's Johnny Was's style. So I'm always like, maybe today's the day. I'm debating this one. Gosh, it's cute. I'm gonna have to look up exact comps. I think it's more recent and it's pretty. We'll see, for $7, I'm on the fence. Okay, so it's actually a beach cover-up and I see a listing on Poshmark for $50. I don't know if it'll sell for that, but for $7, I think $30 to $35 is reasonable. So let's go for it. Okay, I've been looking everywhere in the dress section. Finally found something worthwhile. This is a dressed in Lala long maxi dress. Comps are like crazy, so I'm gonna have to do research on this and get back to you, but it's a solid brand. All right, so I did a little more research on this dressed in Lala dress, and it was actually founded in 2017 by a Utah native, Lex Nevin. Hopefully I'm saying her name right, but she's incredible because her stuff is sold at Nordstrom. It definitely retails for a lot of money. It feels really good quality. And if it sells at Nordstrom, you know it's probably gonna be like something really high end. And sure enough it is. It sells really well. This dress, because it's in like pristine condition, should sell for close to $100 on eBay, which makes me really excited that I found it. Definitely a new brand I'm gonna be looking out for. So Wild Fox is sold at Nordstrom and it retails for a lot. For $5, I mean, this is in excellent condition. I will just have to double check on like this style and on if it still like sells well, but I think it does, and I think this is cute. This is a maybe. So we love collabs. This is a collab, Caratil and Maeve. It is like a Christmas themed sweater. So I'm a little hesitant just because I don't know if it'll sell fast. I am probably gonna leave it behind, but it's just something to kind of keep your eyes peeled for. Any collabs tend to be good. So this Patagonia is amazing, but it is custom embroidered. Is that? I think that's custom embroidery. Maybe it's not. Hold on, let me look this up. Okay, yeah, it's custom embroidery, so it's gonna be really hard to sell. So I do sadly have to leave it behind.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
Okay, I know this. It's like on the tip of my tongue, but I definitely know this brand. It's a YouTuber's brand, I believe. Here it is, yeah. Odd Future Wolfgang, that's it. Yeah, this is really cool. The last Odd Future item I had sold really well. This is cool, so let's grab it, you guys. Now that was a success. So we found so much cool stuff today. I'm so excited to add it up, but I'm like starving. Like I'm so hungry. I'm hangry.
I'm hungry, hungry, hungry. I want pie.
So I'm gonna go get a Jimmy John's, which is like right here, and I actually really like Jimmy John's. And of course we're gonna get like a huge treat because we've earned it. It has been seriously like such an amazing thrift day. Okay, you guys, we have 100% earned that. I'm gonna enjoy this lunch so much. All right, you guys, we spent a little over $120 at the thrift today, and it's going to sell for close to $1,000, so beyond thrilled. I love spending my days at the thrift, and I hope you guys too. And if you like joining me, go ahead and subscribe because we have all kinds of fun on my channel looking for stuff that we can sell. Thanks again, you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.